Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another day of this vlog. It is a new vlog, which I think I did not open, so let me open this vlog. My name is Charlotte Ngonelo. If you happen to be new here, I am a mom, I am a wife, I am a sister, I'm a teacher, but I am your friend. And if you're not part of this friendship, what are you doing? But to become part of this friendship, what you can do is click the subscribe button and make sure that you like and make sure that you comment and we get communicating, honey. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for returning. I appreciate each and every one of you. So today, it is a Friday, the 2nd of May, and hubby and I and our son are going to the gym together. I'm training legs, my son is training legs, hubby is training back and shoulders. If I still have strength, I think I will also do a little bit of shoulders just as a bonus for myself. And then I'll see what the day has for us, and I'll be taking you along with me. That box of Kellogg's is ruining my frame. But anyway, I'll see you guys. Let's enjoy this day together. Enjoy this vlog. Hey guys, I've eaten my food and I feel better. I was feeling really hungry. I'm on my way to take my daughter to fix one of her nails. The bow came off, so we're just quickly dashing there and we're coming back home. We're not going anywhere today other than where we're going now. Hope you guys are good. I'll be having a great Friday. Yo, car.
Did you see that? He did this.
From the grass.
Did you see that? He just did
Seriously.
this.
Anyway, guys, I'll see you. Sorry. It's later on in the day. It's 3:30 and I've just dropped off Tando. And I am going to be waiting for her and watch my C dramas.
and enjoy my matcha drink. It is autumn. It feels like winter is set in because I'm cold, you know. These are so long. I'm actually sitting on some of them. Okay. Oh, what do you guys think of this color? I haven't done a different color other than black for the longest time. So this kind of feels, it kind of feels a bit weird. It's a different change. It's a different color for me. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna grow into it. And I think I like it. I think I like it. That's my husband. Okay guys, I'm gonna watch my dramas and wait for my daughter and see if there's anything for me to capture for you guys today, and I'll do that. If there's nothing, we will see each other tomorrow, and tomorrow will be the day that I upload my vlog. So yeah, let's catch each other when there's something to show or to say. Done my nighttime skincare routine, and my skin feels so supple and soft and ready for a rest. I am going to go to the kitchen. I couldn't finish my dinner. Firstly, I ate one patty, the other one I gave to my daughters, but now I feel like having some type of dessert, so I'm going to have one or two of my keto brownies. I'll show you now. These are the brownies I was referring to, guys. They look like this because I kept them in the freezer. They retail for $1.79. I bought them at the Gourmet Station at Morningside or Windermere. Yeah. And yeah, they're keto, they're low carb. And in case you're interested, that's why I'm showing you all of this. That's the name you can find on Instagram if you're looking for them. Even this one, Keto Co, and you can look here for calories, all your nutritional info. You see, very low on carbs, ingredients, there you go. So I'm gonna have one or two and call it the night. Good morning, it's Saturday. Let's start this day. This is my scent for the day, you guys. And I decided to wear nude colors today. Wearing my skirts from Foschini, my bag from Rage, I think. No, from Ackermans. My slides are from Woolworths. The top is from Foschini. And yeah, that's my look for today. Hubby was not allowing me to shine. He kept coming in my frame. I decided to take these with me in case I need them, but I didn't. So this is us going to get a few things. Come with us.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the morning. Stay in the morning with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
I'm gonna speak quickly because there's music. If there's one thing, let me pause and go again. If there's one thing my husband will do, is not buy for himself. I'm trying to get him to buy for himself. He will not buy clothes for himself, guys.
Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your own way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
I'm back at home and I wanted to show you what I bought. And another thing, why must you pay so much for health, for eating healthy? Man, okay, this loaf, it's a low carb loaf. Okay, it was 130. And then this carrot cake loaf, it was 160. These are fat bombs. You can have them as a snack. They keep you full. Believe you me, they keep you full. And that's what inside. This is what inside. Okay. These were 48 rands each. And then I bought this for my coffee, anything that I want to add flavor to, especially tea and coffee. This was 48 or 45 rand. And then I bought myself this ice cream, chocolate swirl ice cream. It is sugar free and it tastes really good. It fills you up. Not that I'm eating dessert to be filled up, but you know what I mean. It fills you up very quickly. And these are the ingredients. This was 120. It's a small tub, 120. And then my husband got himself these rusks. And I don't know how much they cost. And then lastly, I had taken chips. I think you saw a banana green something, and they told me no, these are not keto. So they told me these ones are keto chips. And these, it's a small pack, you guys. It is I'm trying to find out. Okay, but as you can see, it's a small pack. And this little pack was 56 rand. So I just bought one because I wanted to taste them first. 56 rand. Better be worth it. I'm back at home. I'm just gonna relax maybe for 30 minutes. The time now is nearly 2 o'clock. And then after that I want to cook dinner. Simple dinner. I want to try out a recipe, a wings recipe, and then make with sweet potato. And then yeah, close off this vlog so that you guys can watch. Toodle. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm back at home. My kids decided that they don't want to eat sweet potatoes. They asked if they could have pies with the wings I want to make. So I'm just going to run you through how I make the wings and then cook the wings, and I think I will show you afterwards before I upload. So they're going to have wings and pies. Yeah, let's get cooking. To make these wings, we're going to need roasted sesame oil. We're going to need virgin oil. We're going to need rice vinegar, Lazenby or soy sauce. We're going to need black pepper. We're going to need salt, garlic powder. This one is finishing. I have one full one, but I want to finish this one first. Minced garlic and ginger, ketchup, and sugar. So let's get mixing, you guys.